Can anyone ever imagine that on the main gate of a holy cathedral there could be a footprint of the devil? It sounds strange and definitely unacceptable, but this is not just a story or a fairy tale. Let's first understand the background of this church. The Frauenkirche, Cathedral of Our Lady, is located in Munich, Germany. Its construction began in 1468 and by 1488 the church was completely built. The architect behind this church was Mr. John Vogt Helsberg, a talented architect. At that time, Mr. Vogt didn't have enough funds to complete the construction. So, he made a deal with the devil, hoping to get the financial help he needed. But the devil also had one condition. In exchange for the money, the devil demanded that the cathedral must not have a single window, so that no light could enter the church. Mr. Vogt agreed to this condition and told the devil that the church would be exactly as he wished. When the cathedral was completed, he would not see a single window. Hearing this, the devil happily accepted the deal. But Mr. Vogt cleverly designed the windows in such a way that they would not be visible from the main entrance. After the church was completed, when the devil came to inspect it, he looked from the main gate and saw complete darkness. He felt extremely pleased, thinking he had won. But as he walked further inside, he suddenly saw the light shining through the hidden windows. When the devil witnessed this with his own eyes, he realized he had been defeated by a human. Enraged, he stomped his foot on the floor so hard that his footprints was embedded into the ground at that very spot. That footprint was still remains near the main gate of the cathedral even today.